Hi everybody, my name is Rag Sethi
My name is Zara Abraham.
and we're both from the Design for Change core design team. Just to give you guys an idea of who we are, that's me and that's Zara. That's Zara and that's me. Okay?
I'm Pluto.
I'm God. I have light behind me. So shush. Okay, this is a video tutorial for the admins of the different web pages for their countries to learn how to use a CMS based website. Zara, what does CMS mean?
I don't know why you keep asking me this question. I really don't know.
Okay, CMS stands for Content Management System, and what this basically allows you to do is add, maintain, and edit content on your website on a browser-based platform. So this eliminates the use of a third-party applications such as Dreamweaver, or you don't need to know how to do HTML coding to learn how to use this. It's very easy. It's user friendly and anyone can do this. I'm not a web developer and I'm maintaining the India and global site. Okay, so we can start right now. First of all, obviously you need a browser. Any browser would do, but I recommend Mozilla because it's awesome. This is your login page for the control panel to add and edit information. You can put your information in. You'll be given your username and password accordingly once you guys have decided who's doing what.
Who is going to be the administrator?
Who's going to be the administrator basically. You choose your country and you log in. Okay, this is our control panel. We have all the information to add and maintain your website through the small amount of buttons and functions over here. Now when I say add and maintain content and edit information, I do not mean the design and format of the website. I mean purely text and images. There are some elements of the website that you won't be able to change, such as this this big banner over here. You won't be able to change that.
But we can change it for you. If you want, say, a different color or something different on your banner, you can email us and we can change it and send you a file.
Okay, so we're at the control panel. What to do? Zara, what to do?
I suppose you add a node.
Perfect. Now I'll explain a bit of what add and update nodes stands for. First, I think what we can do is design for giving is what we did last year. It's kind of fun. Design for change contest.com. There we go. So this is the World Design for Change website. These links on the side of here, on this left panel, are your several nodes. If I click add and update nodes over here, you'll get the list down over here. It'll be like a drop down. Excuse me. There we go. So we have order of our nodes. Order refers to the order of which are displayed, and we have, okay, it's a design process, contest, guide, design process, contest, guide. Now you won't notice who is doing what over here is because we don't have it ticked over here. There's a status symbol that goes along with every node name, and if you're ready for the content and you're ready to put it up, that's when you actually click the status symbol. You can use this over here to add a new node. So these are your existing nodes and these are your nodes that you can add. Now I'll show you a bit of how you can change information within a node. Let's go to global partners. Here we go. So this is a list of some of our partners. We're still updating this. It's changing every single day. Now if I click global partners over here on the HTML content, another window will open. Zara, what is this window?
A window where you can change content.
Yeah. This is basically where you'll be spending most of your time working on. This is your editing window basically. All the different functions of a website you need on a web page can be found over here in this one window. That's the cool thing about CMS. You can be anywhere in the world and maintain your website on the go and on any other computer. It's very streamlined. There we go. So as you can see, we've got all our information over here, and we've got all our information over here. Now I'm not going to really do too much of work. I'll just show you how you can add and update nodes. So let's say this is Adrian Gilpin UK, and I want to remove UK from the partners list. UK is gone. Click save. There we go. Content has been updated successfully. So if I refresh this page, refresh. There we go. UK is no longer part of the design for change.
He's joking, of course.
Zara, what do we do? What do we do? So that's it. That's how you can add and update nodes. I'll just put UK back because I'm feeling very nice. Oh yeah, another thing that I'll explain right now is you guys can see this horizontal line above over here, right? Now, the width of this horizontal line is 450 pixels. Why is that an important number?
Because if you put anything beyond 450 pixels, it will get cropped.
Yep. Our site is designed in such a way that the width for anything needs to remain 450 pixels. If it's bigger than 450 pixels, the site won't render it and therefore will be cropped. You can see over here what I've done is I've created individual tables for all text, and I'll go to the properties. You'll see that the width of these tables are 450 pixels. There, 450 pixels. Okay. Now you don't really need this for the text. You need to make sure that your width is 450 for images, but I just like putting tables because it makes everything neat and organized. But you don't need a table over here. If you don't have a table and continue typing along over here, the sort of functions of this website will wrap the text around that 450 pixel barrier. But you need to make sure that you keep that number
In mind.
in mind for your images, because that's where it'll really come handy. Subnodes over here will allow you to create another list of links over here on the side, like a micro page within this site, basically. I mean, it's fairly straightforward. It's exactly like creating a new node, except it'll create another link over here, which will then take you to another link and blah blah blah. Again, if you want to add a new node, you add your name, the node name, what the page title is, status, and actually we can change a bit of the global partners right now.
Only picking on the global partners.
Yeah. We like you guys, that's why. Okay. So if we do, Zara, what do we write? Leaders of change?
Yes. Leading the change
Leading
around
the
the
change.
world.
Leading the change around the world, that's right. Leading the change around the world. That's amazing. And here's your size. Now you'll notice that you don't have points, like typically in Word now you'll find 11, 12, 13, but over here it's easier. Small, medium, large, extra large. See? Isn't this amazing? That's pretty big. And you'll only be able to choose from these amount of fonts because we want to try to keep things universal. Some computers may not have the fancier fonts that we want to put up, so it's safe to use one of these. Verdana?
Verdana.
Yeah. How's that?
Too big.
Too big? Okay. That's good. XX large. Yeah, how's that? Change the color or style. What can we do?
Leave it as it is.
We can leave it as it is, but I want to change the color. How about an orange? Orange?
No.
No? Okay, fine. Leave it black. Zara's being picky.
We're trying to keep this video in 10 minutes. Can you
Yeah,
please keep
okay.
that in mind?
There we go. Leading the change around the world. Save. And there's a lot more you can do with this one page, such as you can add buttons. There's a button over there, there's an image button there, there's a radio box there, radio button, sorry, and a tick box, and so there's a lot you can do with this. I'll close it, I'll refresh this so you guys can see it. And I've explained subnodes, which add a mini site to that. There we go, leading the change around the world.